beautiful Nicolettes. Welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. It's that time where your girl's room needs a major clean. Recently I've been just super swamped with work and I kept putting off cleaning my room. Oops, I did it again. It is hella messy. Whenever a new season is coming along, I like to do a deep clean of my rooms. Everything needs a major clean. This is probably gonna take my whole entire day, so we gotta get going. But I hope you guys like it. Thumbs up if you do. I will link my other ones down below if you guys are curious. Let's get into the cleaning. To begin, of course, it is time to first start with the floor because I just need to start putting them where they're supposed to be. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and then I'll probably move on to the bed because a made bed just makes everything better. If you guys are curious, this laundry basket is from Winners. I recently picked it up, but I definitely recommend getting a laundry basket that's really big. Especially if you're someone like me who likes to throw clothes on the floor, this will be super convenient, and it's just as easy to put your clothes in here. So your girl needs to start using it a little bit more, but I'm super excited I finally picked this up because this is definitely going to be helpful. That right there is a basket full of clean clothes, so I'm going to put that away in my closet and in my dressers. And those clothes you see right here are actually clothes that were on the floor, but I literally tried them on and didn't want to wear them. So we're gonna put them back right now as well in the closet. In order to get everything in, my drawers are a little packed, as you can tell, so I'm going to clean them out, get rid of some of this stuff, and then donate that, and so I can fit the rest of this in those drawers. So now I'm going to take everything else left on my bed out. So I'm going to put away all my extra hangers. Little tip, I definitely want to eventually get the same colored hangers because I think it's just going to make my closet look a lot more cleaner. But for now, we gotta deal with what we have. After I'm done removing everything, we can finally move on to making the bed and then clean the rest of this mess. So save me. Right now, I'm gonna clean all of my dressers on top of it because you guys know it's a mess. We're definitely making some progress, but we still have a lot to go. I picked up some marble for my desk. As you can tell, this is just dirty and gross. So I got this from Home Depot if you're curious. It does have adhesive so you can put this as a sticker, but I'm not going to just in case it gets dirty. I just prefer not to so I can remove it and just keep replacing it. But I thought the marble would really match my room, so I'm super excited about it, and I'm excited to finally get rid of these dirty things because they're more like paper, while this is a little bit better, I would say. I pretty much finished with the dressers. We still have the rest of the things on the floor that I'm going to pick up and put away. And this pile here is clothes that I'm going to donate. So I'm gonna put them into those bags and I will donate those. This is all the clothes I am going to donate. only took me a million hours to clean, but we did it. Let me know right now by leaving a comment if your room is clean or messy. I'm curious to know. I want to know who the messy ones are out there. I'm curious to know. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button so you're part of this fam jam, because I do upload every Wednesday, Friday, and Sunday. And if you click the bell on my channel, it will notify you every single time I upload on those days. But I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!